Question number 1. How and when did Booker T. Washington reach Richmond? Booker reached to Richmond by walking and begging or hitchhiking in wagons and in cars. He reached to Richmond after a number of days when he started his journey. Question number 2. How did the author carry out the work assigned to him? The author carried out his work with proper dedication. He swept the recitation room 3 times and dusted it 4 times. He moved every piece of furniture to clean it and also cleaned every closet and corner. Question number 3. Where was the school for the colored people situated and what was its full name? Answer. The school for the colored people was situated somewhere in Virginia. Its full name was Hampton Normal and Agricultural Institute. Question number 4. What inspired Washington to go to Hampton Institute? Answer. The talk between the two miners inspired Washington to go to the Hampton Institute. As they kept on describing the school, it appeared to Washington as the best place on the earth. Question number 5. What exactly was his college examination and why? Answer. His college examination was cleaning the recitation room properly. The head teacher neither allotted him to a class nor did she refused him. Later, she asked him to sweep the recitation room. Cleaning the room was his examination. Question number 6. Never did I received an order with more delight. Which order Booker T. Washington is referring to? Answer. The head teacher asked Booker to sweep the room, and as it was his only chance to get the admission in the college, so he received the order delightfully. Question number 7. What did Booker T. Washington do to save money? Answer. Booker continued to sleep under the sidewalk to save money because after buying the food, he could not save much for his journey to Hampton. Question number 8. What message do you get from the lesson My Struggle for an Education? Answer. The message that we get from the lesson is that we should always be focused towards our aim. We should be firm and determined no matter what the situation is. We should always remember hard work leads to success. Question number 9. How did the teacher test the suitability of Booker to admit him as a student? Answer. The teacher asked Booker to clean the room. When he had cleaned the room, she inspected the cleanliness of the room with her handkerchief, and when she found not a single bit of dust, she admitted him as a student. Question number 10. How can you say that the author of the lesson, My Struggle for an Education, is a man of perseverance? Answer. The author is a man of perseverance because he continued to work hard as a laborer to reach his destination, and then he lingered about the head teacher for admission. He did not lose hope at any point of his journey. He swept the room delightfully as it gave a chance to him to show what was in him.